Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're in the exclusive gated community of Reserva Conchal, and I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. We're here in Bougainvillea. It's number 1204. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,800 square foot condo. I can't wait to show this beautiful property with you today. Bougainvillea is a common place for rentals or to live full-time. There are schools just across the street, there's hospitals, and there's so many activities here. In this condo, you can fit a lot of people because you've got a step-down living room and a big dining room as well. The balcony overlooks a PGA level golf course. You can even see the lake. You can see these gorgeous mountains, and you have the Pacific Ocean. You face west, so the sunsets are incredible here. This condo has a huge kitchen. It's got granite countertops, wooden cupboards, and it's got great views of the jungle and the mountains. The master bedroom has a lock-off closet, which is great if you want to rent your property. It has an ensuite bathroom, a king bed, and it has gorgeous views of the ocean. There are 2 guest bedrooms here. One has 2 twin beds, one has a king bed. They both have Juliet balconies, which is great for fresh air. And guess what? If you want air conditioning, it's a brand new central air conditioning system. There are 62 condos here in Bougainvillea, and they share this common area. There's a super large pool, an area for swimming laps, there's also a jacuzzi, and there's the covered areas with a full kitchen. So if you want to have a birthday party or invite your friends and family, this is a great spot to hang out. Reserva Conchal is one of my favorite places on earth, and I'm about to show you why. Here, there's 2,300 acres. There are 16 communities, 2 hotels, the West and the W. Here at the Beach Club, it's got amazing pools, stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, bikes. There's PGA level golf, there's tennis, there's pickleball, there's hiking and biking trails. There is everything you can imagine to enjoy this incredible life in Costa Rica. If you want to know what heaven on earth looks like, this is it. Playa Conchal, white sand beaches, turquoise waters, warm sunshine. This is simply paradise. If you would like to know more information about Bougainvillea 1204 or about Reserva Conchal, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com. Give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you, and be sure to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Pura vida.